Alright, so you bought some crypto on Coinbase and now you're wondering, how do I keep it secure? Now the best way to keep it secure in my opinion is to transfer it off to your own non-custodial wallet. Now there are two types of wallets, which is hot wallet, which is a software wallet, and a cold wallet, which is a hardware wallet. Now in my previous video I showed you how to set up your own non-custodial wallet, which is Coinbase wallet, which is pretty decent in my opinion if you are just starting out. Now that is a hot wallet or software wallet that is either on your computer or on an app on your phone. So today I'm actually going to show you how you can transfer your crypto from your Coinbase app to your own non-custodial Coinbase wallet. By the way, this is video number 6 in the series where I take you on a journey from a complete beginner to someone who can start investing in crypto. And in the previous video, I showed you how to set up your own non-custodial Coinbase wallet. And before that, I showed you how to sign up for Coinbase exchange so you can start buying crypto. So if you want to go ahead and check out the whole playlist so that you can start out with your own crypto journey, then I'm going to put the link somewhere around here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how you can transfer your crypto out of your Coinbase into your own Coinbase wallet. Right, so we're in my Coinbase account and here is a bunch of cryptos that I earned through learning rewards. By the way, if you don't know what it is, you can basically learn about crypto and earn some rewards, and I have about $40 worth of rewards through crypto learning. So go ahead and check that out. But the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to Coinbase wallet. Now, if you don't know how to set it up, again, check out my previous video. And over here, I'm on the home screen. So in order for us to get our crypto transferred to our Coinbase wallet, what we're going to do, we're going to click here, receive. And over here, you're going to see your wallet address. So you're going to click on that. And here, it's going to generate a QR code to your public wallet address. So please be careful with the networks because Coinbase wallet as of now supports only Ethereum Base, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and BNB. So if you're not sure if you're crypto on any of these networks, I'm going to show you in a second how to check that. So now I'm back on my Coinbase and let's say I want to transfer this Aleph IM. I hope I pronounced it correct. And at this point, let's say I don't know if it's on any of those networks that are supported by the Coinbase wallet. And by the way, all those networks are EVM networks, meaning they're built on Ethereum virtual machine. Now, this is another concept that we're probably going to cover in another video, or let me know if you want to know about it and I'll make a video on what EVM is. But in order for you to check if it's on any of those networks, the fastest way for you to check is to go to a site like CoinMarketCap and search for Aleph IM or whatever crypto you want to transfer to your Coinbase wallet. And then over here under contracts, you're going to see the network. So as you can see, there is actually a contract for this crypto on Ethereum, meaning that it already supports it. Or if we expand this down arrow over here, we can see that it's also on BNB Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Base as well. So that means that our Coinbase wallet is going to support this crypto if we send it. So now we're back in our Coinbase wallet and we know that the crypto that we want to transfer is supported by the Coinbase wallet. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this address right over here and we're going to go back to Coinbase app. And over here, I'm going to click on the crypto that I want to transfer. In this case, it's Aleph IM. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click send crypto right over here. So once you click that, you're going to enter the address that you copied from your Coinbase wallet. So as you can see, it's going to show your address, especially if it's a Coinbase wallet address that you're going to see right here, and you're going to click on that. And as you can see, I have $1.13 available, so I'm going to click max. And over here, you're going to be on the confirmation dialog. So it's going to say send 47 cents in Ethereum because the fee is going to be 67 cents. So yeah, it doesn't make sense, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to transfer it. So I'm going to click send now. And as you can see, the network is showing Ethereum. So we're going to transfer this crypto on Ethereum network. So it's going to take about 44 seconds. And yeah, the network fee, too much. I'm going to lose more money on the network fee than transferring this crypto. But for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and again do that. So I'm going to click send now. As you can see, I have a two-factor authentication where basically I have Google Authenticator app. And I suggest that you do that because this is an extra layer of security for your funds not to get stolen. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my passcode right here. And once you enter the passcode, it takes a little bit of time and it's going to say that you sent your Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet. Now I'm going to click done and I'm going to go back to my Coinbase wallet. I'm going to click on assets. It might take just a little bit of time for it to show up here. So let's just wait a second. If you're wondering if your funds get transferred or got lost, you can actually refresh the page on the Coinbase app and it will tell you if it's pending or completed right here. But now if I go back to my Coinbase wallet, as you can see, it's right here, Aleph IM, and my 47 cents are safe here in the Coinbase wallet. So yeah, don't get it confused with Ethereum. That's a little bit different, but Yeah, as you can see, it's right here, and now your crypto is secure. Now, again, I wouldn't recommend sending $1 to your Coinbase wallet. I mean, unless you have significant amount of crypto that you want to transfer and securely store in your own wallet, then it's worth transferring it to your own non-custodial wallet. And that was it. It was that simple. And please remember that Coinbase wallet is only for EVM networks that we discussed earlier. Now, if you want to store Bitcoin, you have to use a different wallet. If you want to know how to do that, drop a link down in the comments and I'll probably make a video about that as well. Cardano is the same thing. ICP is the same thing. You need a separate wallet. Unfortunately, Coinbase wallet doesn't support those cryptos just yet. Now, while having your own non-custodial wallet is a great start and you're securing your crypto so you don't get holds on your accounts and stuff like that. Now you still have to pay attention to some things and make sure that you don't get your funds stolen. And in the next video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to keep your wallet secure. Now, there is also option to set up your own cold storage, which is even better option, but hot wallet is just as good unless you're doing certain things that you're not supposed to do with your hot wallet. So if you want to know how to keep your wallet secure, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to show you how to do that. And in one of my next videos, I'm also going to show you how to set up your own cold wallet. So if that's something that you're interested in, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel down below, and hit notification bell to get notified next time a new video comes out where I'm going to show you how to keep your wallet secure. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.